The groundbreaking discovery in the wilderness of northern Zimbabwe has brought this ancient world a little closer to us. In two expeditions conducted in 2017 and 2019, scientists unearthed the fossilized remains of Africa's oldest known dinosaur, named Emberisaurus ryathi. This remarkable dinosaur represents a crucial piece in the puzzle of evolution. The name Emberisaurus is rooted in the local culture, taking its name from Mbire, the ancient Shona dynasty that once ruled the area where the fossils were discovered. The second part of its name, Raathi, honors paleontologist Michael Rath, whose earlier work in the region laid the foundation for this discovery. The Emberisaurus raathi was a small herbivore, but don't let its modest size fool you. It was an evolutionary trailblazer. Measuring about 6 feet long and weighing around 60 pounds, this slender, long-necked dinosaur was perfectly adapted to feeding on vegetation in hard-to-reach places. This early species predates most other known dinosaurs, making it a significant find for scientists studying how dinosaurs spread and diversified across the world. The fossils were discovered in the remote Mbira district in Zimbabwe, a region that has become a treasure trove for paleontologists. The area holds sediments from the late Triassic period, a time when dinosaurs were just beginning to dominate the landscape. The discovery of the Emberisaurus raathi not only provides insights into Africa's prehistoric ecosystems, but also suggests that dinosaurs were more widespread and diverse during this period than previously thought. One fascinating aspect of this discovery is how it reshapes our understanding of dinosaur migration. During the Triassic period, Pangaea allowed dinosaurs to move freely across continents. Scientists believe the Emberisaurus raathi's closest relatives may have roamed in regions now known as Brazil and India, illustrating the interconnectedness of the prehistoric world. But the story doesn't end with the Emberisaurus. The discovery has opened the door for further exploration in Africa, a continent often overlooked in dinosaur research compared to North America or Asia. Paleontologists are hopeful that Zimbabwe and neighboring regions will yield even more fossils, painting a fuller picture of life during the Triassic. This discovery also serves as a reminder of how much remains hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be uncovered. From its cultural ties to its scientific significance, the Emberisaurus raathi is a testament to the power of curiosity and exploration. Every fossil is a story. This one just happens to be 230 million years old. While the Emberisaurus raathi offers a glimpse into Africa's prehistoric past, another puzzling phenomenon in the Namib Desert continues to defy explanation. Number 4. Fairy circles, Namibia. In the vast expanse of Namibia's Namib Desert, a striking phenomenon captivates both scientists and visitors alike. Mysterious circular patches of barren ground, known as fairy circles. These circles, which range in size from 2 to 20 meters in diameter, scatter across the desert's grassy plains like nature's peculiar artwork. For decades, these formations have puzzled experts, sparking various theories to explain their origin. One of the most widely accepted explanations attributes the fairy circles to the activity of sand termites, particularly the species Samotermes alocarus. These tiny creatures are believed to clear vegetation from the circular patches to conserve moisture in the desert soil. In the harsh conditions of the Namib Desert, moisture is scarce, and these termites have adapted by creating this unique pattern. Their underground networks help preserve water, making it possible for the termite colonies to survive in such an arid environment. Some studies have even shown that termite activity significantly influences the formation and persistence of these fairy circles. However, not all researchers are convinced that termites are the sole cause. Another popular hypothesis suggests that the fairy circles are a result of natural vegetation patterns. This theory proposes that plants in the desert self-organize to maximize water availability. According to this idea, the grasses at the perimeter of the circles benefit from the extra water runoff that comes from the barren center, creating a ring of lush plant life surrounding the empty patch. Mathematical models and studies from other arid regions support this idea of self-organization, further fueling debate among scientists. Despite the compelling arguments for both theories, a clear consensus has yet to be reached. This ongoing mystery is part of what makes the fairy circles so captivating. Not only are they a stunning natural sight, but they also provoke deep scientific curiosity. Visitors who travel to Namibia often find themselves awestruck by these strange and beautiful formations, adding to the allure of the desert landscape. Some researchers have recently advanced the study of fairy circles, with growing evidence pointing to a combination of factors that might be responsible for their creation. The role of termites in initiating the circle's formation is becoming clearer, yet the self-organizing plant patterns may play a significant role in maintaining them over time. Furthermore, similar formations have been discovered in other parts of the world, such as the Pilbara region in Australia, hinting that fairy circles may be a more widespread phenomenon than originally thought. From Namibia's desert sands, we now journey to the shadowy depths of South Africa's sand forests, where a discovery both startling and beautiful has rewritten the story of one of nature's most infamous families. Number 3. Finder button spider, South Africa. In 2014, amidst the wild beauty of South Africa's Tembe Elephant Park, a remarkable discovery unfolded. A spider unlike any other, now known as the Finder button spider. This arachnid, officially named Latrodectus umbukwan in 2019, is a member of the widow spider family, sharing lineage with the notorious black widow. What sets the Finder button spider apart are its striking red markings on both the top and underside of its abdomen, a feature unique among African widow spiders. Adding to its distinctiveness, the female constructs smooth, bright purple egg sacs, each potentially harboring up to 600 spiderlings. This spider's habitat is as distinctive as its appearance. It resides exclusively in the critically endangered sand forests of northern KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. These unique ecosystems are under threat from human activities like illegal clearing for agriculture and wood collection, making the discovery of the Finder button spider a touching reminder of the importance of habitat conservation. The journey to officially recognize this species was meticulous. After the initial sighting in 2014, researchers, including Barbara Wright from the Wild Tomorrow Fund, dedicated years to studying the spider. They observed its behavior, raised spiderlings, and analyzed its physical characteristics. Their efforts culminated in the formal description of the species in 2019. The first new widow spider identified in nearly 3 decades. In terms of size, the Finder button spider is believed to be one of the largest widow spiders globally. Its venom is neurotoxic, and while a bite can cause significant discomfort, there have been no documented fatalities from button spider bites in southern Africa. Nonetheless, medical attention is advised if bitten. The discovery of the Finder button spider not only adds a new species to the widow spider family, but also underscores the rich biodiversity of South Africa's sand forests. It highlights the critical need to protect these habitats, ensuring that such unique creatures continue to thrive. Just as one discovery revealed the secrets of South Africa's forests, another, buried deep underground, would reshape our understanding of human history. Number 2. Homo naledi, South Africa. Imagine venturing into the depths of a South African cave, only to stumble upon a discovery that challenges everything we thought we knew about human evolution. That's exactly what happened in 2013, when 2 recreational cavers, Rick Hunter and Stephen Tucker, explored the Rising Star cave system near Johannesburg. In a secluded chamber, they uncovered a collection of bones belonging to a previously unknown human species, now called Homo naledi. The excavation was no easy feat. The chamber, later named the Dinaledi Chamber, was accessible only through narrow, twisting passages. To navigate this labyrinth, a team of 6 women, all experienced in caving and of slight build, was assembled to retrieve the fossils. Their dedication led to the recovery of over 1,500 bone fragments, representing at least 15 individuals, a remarkable find in the field of paleoanthropology. Homo naledi presents a fascinating blend of ancient and modern traits. Standing about 1.5 meters tall and weighing around 45 kilograms, they had a brain size roughly a third of modern humans. Despite this, their skulls bore similarities to early members of the genus Homo, such as Homo erectus. Their hands and feet were strikingly human-like, suggesting they were adept climbers, but also capable of tool use. This combination of features has sparked debates about their place in our evolutionary history. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Homo naledi discovery is the location of their remains. The deliberate placement of bodies deep within the cave has led some researchers to propose that Homo naledi practiced a form of ritualistic behavior, possibly disposing of their dead in a manner akin to burial. This challenges previous assumptions that such complex behaviors were exclusive to species with larger brains, like Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. However, not all scientists are convinced. Some argue that natural processes could explain the accumulation of bones in the chamber, and the debate continues as to whether Homo naledi had the cognitive capacity for such rituals. Recent claims suggesting that Homo naledi created symbolic carvings and buried their dead have further fueled this debate, with critics calling for more substantial evidence to support these assertions. The discovery of Homo naledi has undoubtedly added a new dimension to our understanding of human evolution. It highlights the complexity of our ancestral tree and suggests that behaviors once thought unique to modern humans may have deeper roots in our evolutionary past. As research continues, Homo naledi serves as a reminder of the many mysteries still hidden beneath the earth, waiting to reshape our understanding of where we come from. While Homo naledi reshapes our past, a hidden discovery in Mozambique unveils a world frozen in time. Number 1. Mount Lico, Mozambique. In the heart of Mozambique lies a hidden gem that has captivated scientists and nature lovers alike. Mount Lico, a pristine rainforest perched atop an isolated mountain. This ecological treasure remained untouched and unseen by humans for centuries, shielded by sheer rock walls that acted as natural fortifications. While local communities were aware of the mountain, the forest at its summit was only discovered by scientists in 2012, when biologist Julian Bayliss spotted its dense emerald canopy using satellite imagery. The journey to uncover its secrets wasn't easy. In 2018, Bayliss and a team of experts embarked on a challenging expedition to climb the mountain's steep, rocky cliffs, some of which tower over 400 meters. Once they reached the top, they found a world frozen in time. The rainforest was eerily quiet, with a thick canopy that allowed only a trickle of sunlight to reach the forest floor. This unique environment had fostered the evolution of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Among the remarkable discoveries were species potentially new to science, including a distinctive butterfly. The isolation of this ecosystem had allowed life here to develop in ways rarely observed elsewhere. For scientists, Mount Lico offered a rare opportunity to study evolution and ecological processes in a setting untouched by human hands. Interestingly, the expedition also unearthed evidence of ancient human presence. Clay pots were found buried near a stream, hinting that people might have visited the summit long ago, perhaps for spiritual or ceremonial reasons. However, these visits were likely rare, as there are no signs of sustained human activity, leaving the ecosystem remarkably undisturbed. The significance of Mount Lico goes beyond its biological wonders. In a world where many primary forests are disappearing due to deforestation and agriculture, this untouched rainforest is a critical reference point. It allows researchers to study ecosystems as they might have existed thousands of years ago, offering insights into how nature adapts to challenges like climate change. Despite its protected summit, Mount Lico's surrounding lowlands face increasing pressure from agriculture and deforestation. Fertile soils in the area attract farming, threatening nearby habitats that are equally rich in biodiversity. Conservationists emphasize the importance of balancing the needs of local communities with preserving this unique environment. Mount Lico's discovery is a testament to the power of modern technology, like satellite imagery, in uncovering Earth's hidden wonders. It also serves as a reminder of the importance of conservation, urging us to protect these untouched ecosystems before they are lost to time. This mountain, with its untouched rainforest, offers not just scientific insights, but also hope. A glimpse into what the natural world can look like when left undisturbed. Mount Lico isn't just a place, it's a story of resilience, evolution, and the delicate balance between humanity and nature, waiting to be told and protected for generations to come. Which of these discoveries in Africa do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below.